ETI is proud to announce the addition of G.hn provisioning support with the release of its latest Triad controller, Positron Access. The new Positron Access controller is available to current ETI customers running Triad version 5.6 or higher. The Positron Access controller interfaces with Positron's element management system, Virtuoso, which in turn communicates with Positron's G.hn access multiplexers, otherwise known as GAMs. As with any Triad controller, the Positron Access controller supports full subscriber lifecycle management. It also supports the assignment of Positron Access customer premise equipment, which is responsible for converting G.hn to Ethernet for downstream traffic and the reverse for upstream traffic. G.hn is a competing standard with G.fast, but offers better speeds at a lower cost. Designed to deliver 1 gig data speeds over legacy wiring like twisted pair and coax, Positron Access GAMs are an ideal solution for existing buildings with a much better ROI than a full building rewire and better speeds over greater distances than DSL, DOCSIS, or G.fast. With the addition of the Positron Access controller and provisioning support for G.hn, ETI has demonstrated yet again their ongoing commitment to providing the world's best OSS application capable of supporting any location-based service technologies. Given the scope of ETI's OSS, Triad is an ideal complement to third-party BSS systems that offer little to no provisioning support, or billing applications that require excessive hand-holding or manual processes related to service fulfillment. The integration with Triad is easy to achieve using the available business object-oriented northbound interface. Once integrated, the interface between billing and Triad rarely needs to be changed, even as provisioning for additional service technologies is introduced. This is due to the technical abstraction afforded by Triad and its northbound interface. All the technical details, including management of logical resources like VLANs, is handled exclusively within Triad. There are numerous benefits to using Triad and the available Positron Access controller in order to automate the provisioning of Positron's GAMs. The solutions are available today and should result in increased average revenue per user, decreased operational costs, increased customer satisfaction, and less lost revenue due to unbilled services being delivered to customers. We at ETI and our partners at Positron Access look forward to demonstrating our products and discussing the benefits of our combined solution with you.